Yes, he is the chief minister, but it is not public has given the verdict. It is against the verdict and sentiments of the people. He grabbed the power through his throwing his illegal money and all. People have voted against the BJP and defeated the then chief minister and 7 of their ministers. And out of 40 constituencies, in 27 constituencies, people have voted against the BJP. Here also, in Panjim also, the margin has reduced in a much. Fighting against the chief minister, yes, Girish is a potential person even for a chief ministership also. If the people of Goa wants, yes, Congress has no objection. Congress is ready to field him also. The normal pattern is, normally after the MLA, the CLP used to decide who has to lead this thing. And the party high commands also sometimes used to give a suggestion. So if the people of Goa want, we are ready for that. We don't have anything because he's a very potential person, very honest person.
No, this is a very major statement. 2 days before the election, as a desk in charge of the party, are you hinting that in an event where Girish defeats Manohar Parrikar, he would be the chief minister of the party?
See, in a personal, if you ask me personally, I'll tell yes, there is a chance of this thing.
Biggest advantage of Vishwajit Rane, as he claims, is his connect with the grassroots, is his connect with the people, and his aggressive style of campaigning. Roy Naik comparatively is a new face, although Ravi Naik is not. How do you think that battle will play out?
See, yesterday also I met some people. They are telling, Vishwajit rang up and telling, if you are not supporting me, I will close your business after 28th. So this is Vishwajit. It is not new to me. He is a very arrogant politician. He knows only how to torture the others. Man with much more greediness for money. 10 years before, what was his status? People of Goa, if they could recollect old history, they know how much he struggled for finance. Now, what is his status? Everybody knows about it. Even then, there is no end for his greediness for money and power. So, I am not giving much this thing to the Vishwajit thing, because the man doesn't have a stability in his words also, in his lifestyle. He is the most opportunist politician Goa ever got.